Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
A layover is a broad term that means any connection between flights. For them, a layover means an overnight stay while a connection refers to a shorter stop. But for flyers and travel providers, it's okay to use these two terms interchangeably. 18 August 2015.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Sometimes, a transit visa will only allow travelers to stay inside an airport, known as an airside visa, while waiting for their connecting flights. Other transit visas last longer, between 1 and 5 days, and allow passengers to leave the airport and stay in the country briefly before onward travel. 31 January 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
24 hours. Generally speaking, a maximum layover of 24 hours is permitted. Some airlines have shorter allowed layover periods for domestic flights. Some international layovers may actually be longer than 24 hours, although in that case the airline will often treat it as a stopover.
Take our lead.
You don't have to do anything with your bag. However, if you are flying internationally, the process may be different. However, the only time you have to get your checked bag and recheck it is when you have to go through customs and you have a connecting flight. You go through customs in the first country you land in. 5 August 2020.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.